No Christmas is complete without Aunt Donnie's peanut butter balls. Now, my butter was frozen, so it didn't stay out long enough to get it defrosted. So what I'm going to do is throw this in the microwave and just give it a short burst to defrost it. Okay, got my butter, softened butter in here. So now we need a cup of peanut butter. Now, recipe is linked in the description below. Now we need our powdered sugar. We want 2 cups of powdered sugar. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1, on page 336 if you want the peanut butter cups, or 337 if you want the peanut butter balls. Oh, and I forgot my vanilla. And I just take, because what I do is after I put them on here, then I go in and I just roll them. This just gives it a measured amount so they're all the same size. Okay, now I'm gonna go through and do all these, and then we're gonna pop them in the freezer. We're just gonna pour all of our melting wafers in here and get these melted and start dipping our peanut butter balls. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime Cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off. I know it's crazy because you're like, Tara, nothing has really melted. Why are you stirring it? To release some of the heat so that the inside down here doesn't burn. Now, what I'm going to do is, because it's not quite as thin as I want, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have this fancy schmancy thing that's so cool, you can use a toothpick and just dip and tap it. There you go. Set it on your baking sheet, and then just take your toothpick and just fix the top there. I'll show you how we do it with this little jobber. Put it in there, stir it around. Now I do like this better because it comes off cleaner, but oops, there we go. I'm gonna taste test because you don't like peanut butter, so this is mine. Okay, this is probably my favorite Christmas candy. 10 out of 10.